Jacob Ayler here with the Law Office of Riley and Ayler PC. I'm coming to you today to really talk about some of the things that I've been seeing in relation to the COVID-19 pandemic and how that relates to your estate planning needs. Since January 1st of this year, my office has been working with dozens of clients on how to properly plan for the unforeseen and to take care of families in the event that you or someone in your family passes away. I think the COVID-19 pandemic has shown everybody that we don't know what's coming around the bend, and that's why it's all the more important to make sure you have your documents in order. One document I want to talk to you about today is what I've been calling the Kids Protection Plan. One thing everybody needs to understand, regardless of your income, regardless of your social status or where you live, if you do not have a plan in place, your children's future is unknown. In the state of Indiana, anyone over the age of 18 can petition to be guardian over your children in the event that you pass away. That's important for several reasons. One, if you don't have a lot of family in the area, it could be somebody who's not even a family member that may try to petition. Or even if it is a family member, perhaps that's somebody that you don't want raising your kids. We all have that family member that perhaps has personal problems or an addiction issue, or maybe has a very different set of values than what you want your children to have growing up. A kids protection plan allows you to set up a plan so you can name who you would like to take over the care of your children in the event something were to happen to you. This plan allows you to pick your first, second, or even third choice as to who you would want to step in line. For instance, maybe you would like your brother or your sister to step up to take care of your children, but perhaps you want to make it very clear that that's only if they are still married to their current spouse. Perhaps before you change your document, that individual has a change in circumstances. Having multiple people in line allow you to have a say in who would raise your children. This document and this plan also does a very important thing that people don't think about. It allows you to put together a confidential statement of who you don't want raising your children. If you have somebody that you're afraid would petition the court, you can create this document so that the court would be aware that this is something that is against your wishes. Why this is important is because each and every one of us know that at some point in time, we're all going to die. But if you have minor children, you must have something in place. The other thing to take into consideration is if you don't have something in place for guardianship of your children and you don't have family in the area or family nearby, I've had clients before that have had situations where their children even end up in the Indiana Department of Child Services and in foster care until a near relative can be found. Don't allow your kids to live in the home of a stranger until the courts can figure out what's in their best interest. You're their parent, you know what's in their best interest. That is why I encourage anyone, regardless of what assets you have, if you have a child or if you have children under the age of 18, you must have something in place. If you'd like to learn more about these plans and what options you have, feel free to give my office a call, 219-866-3435. Thank you.